Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can send any image as a PDF file through WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp and select the chat. Then we will click on attachment button and you can see documents option. So we will open documents. Here you can see two options, browse documents and choose from gallery. We will select second one, choose from gallery. Here you can see different images. Now we will select a folder and choose an image which we want to send as a PDF. So I am selecting a picture with currency note as a PDF file. So I will select it and send it to my contact. And you can see this picture is sent as a file, as a document or as a PDF. So in this way you can send any image as a document or as a PDF file to your contacts. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe.